Hello everyone and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. If you're new, my name is Carolyn. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you'll consider sticking around and subscribing. It's completely free. You just have to click that red button below, turn on your bell notifications so you never miss an upload. Today's Foodie Friday video is really special, first because it is a collaboration with my good friend here on YouTube, Twyla, when she asked me if I wanted to do a fall themed movie night. I didn't even have to hesitate. It's a no-brainer. Of course I do. She and I are both obsessed with fall. So we are both going to be preparing tons of fall themed movie night snacks and showing you how we prepare them. This is going to be such a fun collaboration. I really hope that you enjoy it. And if you aren't familiar with Twyla, her channel here on YouTube is called Shell Lifestyle. She is a wonderful mama to a 2-year-old boy, and she is currently pregnant with baby number 2. She does amazing lifestyle content. She also does amazing cleaning motivation, and she has been documenting her entire pregnancy journey. Seriously, I have loved following along with her throughout her entire pregnancy, and I can't wait for all the baby content coming in just a couple of months. So for my fall themed movie night, I am going to be preparing a hot spiced apple cider, some spooky mummy hot dogs, as well as some fall themed popcorn and caramel apple nachos. These are all perfect for watching movies because they're finger food, they're easy to eat. You can mindlessly munch them while you're watching your movie. So I'm going to show you how everything is made, how it all turns out before we get started on our movie.
So I'm getting started with this warm, delicious spiced apple cider, and this was the easiest recipe that I could find. It only has 4 ingredients: a jug of apple cider, some whole cloves, cinnamon sticks, and an organic orange. You want to start by using a toothpick to poke holes all over the orange. Then you're going to take the cloves and stick them inside the little holes until it's pretty much covered. Now all you have to do is add all of the ingredients into your crock pot and turn this on low and let it warm up for about 4 hours. This is perfect if you're having a party or get together. People can serve themselves and you don't have to worry about tending to the stove. Now when you're ready to serve this, trust me, it is absolutely delicious all on its own. But if you're over the age of 21 and you want to add in a splash of rum, hey, it's not going to hurt, and it just might make watching that video that your kid forces you to watch over and over and over just a little bit more bearable. Next, I'm going to be making these cute little mummy hot dogs. I thought that these would be perfect for a fall movie night or even for a Halloween party. I have these crescent round dough, but you could definitely use crescent rolls. All you have to do is wrestle it out of the tube and cut it into long strips. Once you have your strips of dough, you just need to take your hot dog and wrap the dough around the hot dog, and then take another strip and try and wrap it in the opposite direction. This is going to make the bandages on the mummy. Then you want to spray a baking sheet with some nonstick spray, line them all up. But before you stick it on the tray, it's helpful to just kind of smush the dough to help spread it out so it covers most of the hot dog. These will bake at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes. You'll know they're done when they're nice and golden brown. Then I used a toothpick to dab on some mustard to make some eyes, and then I wiped it off before my kids could tell me it was yucky and refused to eat it.
You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours.
Now I am going to be preparing these delicious caramel apple nachos. I love caramel apples, but they are a bit of a pain to make. But these caramel apple nachos are a cinch. You can whip them up in like 2 minutes flat. All you need to do is dice up an apple into slices and arrange them on a plate.
Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song.
Once your apples are all arranged, all you have to do is get some caramel syrup and drizzle it all over them. Then just sprinkle on whatever toppings your heart desires. I am using some coconut flakes and some mini chocolate chips, but some crushed nuts or sprinkles would also work perfect.
Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar.
Okay, so it wouldn't be a very good movie night if we didn't have popcorn. And so I thought I would add a little special twist by making a fall-themed popcorn bowl. So to start, I of course have to make the popcorn. So I'm just popping that in my microwave and letting it go until it's done. So since my kids can't share, I thought it would just be easier to make everyone their own bowl of popcorn. So I'm just dividing it up here.
Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody.
Now we get to the fun part. I am drizzling on some more of that same caramel sauce. This is going to give that popcorn that sweet and salty taste that is just so good. And then I went up and down the candy aisle searching for some fall-themed candy items. So I went with these Reese's Pieces. It has all the great fall colors, the orange, the brown, the yellow. So I'm just sprinkling that over the top of the popcorn. They're getting stuck in the caramel sauce, which is just perfect. And then I'm also going to be adding some of these candy corns. I know candy corn's a little bit of a controversial candy. Some people love them, some people hate them. So let me know down in the comments, are you team candy corn or not?
I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me.
So everything is now ready. All that's left is to light one of my pumpkin candles, turn down the lights, set out the food, and try and wrestle everybody onto the couch. I really hope that you enjoyed this fall-themed movie night. Let me know down in the comments which one of these fall-themed snacks you think would be your favorite. And please don't forget to head over to my friend Twyla's channel. Her video and her channel are going to be linked down in the description box. I can't wait to head over there and see what kind of things she came up with for her family movie night. So that is the end of this video. I am going to see you guys on Tuesday with a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!